Alright, my lady just ate some of this here gold thistle. Look at that, it's full of thorns all the way down through here. There's a bee here, small bee, that will sting too. I got stung by this little piece. But she ate some of the thistle on top here, so I'm going to try some. Let me get a piece off. No, I'm not going to eat it. Didn't taste terrible, just you couldn't eat it. It's like eating feathers. Try this piece where the bee was. Ow! Ah. Doesn't have a lot of taste. Tastes like bee urine. I think the bee just peed it. Shut it off. Shut the camera.